What if you could make money online using just AI tools? No coding, no camera, and no team. In today's video, we're combining VEO 3 and Manus AI to show you the fastest way to earn online in 2025. Hey, welcome, my name is Smart Gabriel, where tech meets income. What are VEO 3 and Manus AI? VEO 3 is Google's new video generation AI. It creates high-quality videos from simple text. Manus AI is a powerful writing assistant that generates viral scripts, ad copy, blog posts, and even full YouTube ideas. Together, they're a money-making machine. Here's how you profit. Use Manus AI to generate viral YouTube video scripts, faceless content, or TikTok hooks. Plug that script into VEO 3 and let it turn into a professional-grade video. Upload to YouTube, Shorts, or TikTok and monetize through views, affiliate links, or brand deals. Bonus, use both to offer a content service, charge clients for full video production without touching a camera. Who can use this? Creators, marketers, freelancers, anyone can do this. Even if you've never edited a video or written a script before. All you need is an idea and these two AIs. Conclusion: VEO 3 plus Manus AI, a smart shortcut to online income. It's fast, free to start, and scalable. The only question is, are you going to build with it? I'm Smart Gabriel, and I help you turn tech into income. Subscribe for more AI tools, tech reviews, and online income strategies every week.